decide to get up and dance, it won't be the first time it's happened here. Don't dance on the tables. That has happened here also. Now learned men who use the pen to writ your praises. I, that sweet Pachin from my... All right, we're going to take a quick jaunt back to the 16th century.
Which part of the 16th century?
We play a selection of tunes from the Irish harper O'Carolan. He's a great composer, and he was very fond of Italian Renaissance music. Ireland and that. If I should become a stranger, know that I would think it more than sound. Caledon, you're everything I've ever had. Thank you.